Um. Can I trust you? No. No, I can't. Well, I'm innocent. I'm. Fine.
Okay. Hi, Bobby.
Hi, Ty.
You ready to get double killed?
Yeah.
I'm ready to get double killed.
I'm just gonna. Huh.
Good Mexican standoff.
Huh.
There's a lot of wasps over here.
I'm gonna. Yeah, I don't like wasps. Matt, you wanna move that way real quick? I don't want to go by the wasps.
Why not?
Because wasps are scary.
Well, there.
Yeah.
Feel better?
Yeah. Well, sort of.
Yeah, that doesn't really matter. He can't be a traitor if he's got a gun.
Okay, but he still can shoot us and he doesn't know who is the traitor.
Well, then it's just fucking hilarious.
Which is mad, by the way.
Totally.
I don't. Nope. 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 I'm not liking the closeness. I'm not liking the closeness.
I love being close.
Ah! Would you stop that?
What? I feel safe around you. I feel safe around you, Kyle. You make me feel...
Please no.
Wow. They're following me.
Fucking hell. Ah! Ah!
Oh, it's happening again! It's happening again!